In this case, I'm looking at Anycubic printer, but again, this is the case for any other printer. Many printers have a easy open printhead method, and that is convenient, but again, that is leading to things that you're gonna probably open the printhead more often than you should. And that is causing some specific things. You see these wires, you probably don't think about that, but when you get your printhead back, there is a huge chance that these wires can get caught between the plastic, get squished, probably not immediately, but after some time, and tension, vibrations, insulation can strip off, and you get smoke. After smoke, you get fire. The 3D printer doesn't have a mechanism to stop that from happening or recognize that there is a problem of that kind, and if unintended, you can cause yourself a really serious problem. The first and probably the most important thing which you need to do is to take care that every wire have space between them. So these wires, I won't go in depth which wire is for what, but this is a hot end and a nozzle here. So we have a heater here, and there is a huge probability that it can cause the potential fire hazard. Yes, it can get internally short, and that is another story, but we want to take care of what we can do. So first of all, you see these wires here, there is a space between them. Also, there are wires also on the back, and I want to show you that there is a space between them, even if you can see from one angle the realistic situation. I did take special care to make space on every spot, so there is no point where wires touch each other. That is for the hot end. These are fan wires and light wires. They all can cause the fire if shorted. So when you're closing your printhead, you want to take a special care that you are not squishing the wires between the plastics or clips. So that is a bit trial and error, but you want to take a special care that when you snap everything out, the wires are not squished inside at any spot. And that's gonna save you a lot of potential headache. You really don't want fire to start. Here it is. I seen literally videos from really popular YouTubers who just snap everything out and have the wire squeezed between the plastics here. Really catastrophic. People don't think about those things, and they are quite important. I know that in some cases it is nearly impossible to get every wire to have a minimal distance between them, but you can try and just do arrangement, and trust me, on the long run you can save yourself from a lot of potential trouble. Share your experience down below, consider subscribing, and until next time, see ya.